Hello my friends. I'm going to be doing a Christmas pour today on this 8 by 24 inch deep canvas. I did a few last year and they were so pretty and really fun to do. So I thought I'd do another one this year because even though I'm using similar colors, of course, they all are unique. I've got 3 reds, 2 golds, and 2 greens. These 3 in the middle are all Prizm pour paints, and if you didn't see my last video, let me remind you or tell you that until November 30th, you can save 25% off any ColourArte product by using the code Jeszeck1121. So after that, it drops down to 15% off, which is still lovely. But this one is Tuscan Gold. This one is Tuscan Gold and Golden Poppy mixed together. Let me show you up close how gorgeous these colors are. That's the Tuscan Gold. This is a mix, mostly Golden Poppy with some Tuscan Gold, a wonderful, rich, orangey gold. This is Poinsettia. Oh, I want to drink it. It's so beautiful. And then I've got a red, a Soho red, just Azo Deep Red, I think it was. And then I did a mix of that red with some phthalo blue to come up with a violet for contrast. And I've got 2 greens. I've got Artist Loft Yellow Green and DecoArt Phthalo Green Yellow. All right, and then I've got some white mixed up. As I said, or did I say, these are just mixed with Floetrol. 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and everything except the Prizm pour paints are 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. No water added to anything. So first I'm just going to lay this out in the kind of the center. I'm not going to worry about covering the canvas at this point. Scrape it all out though. Okay, now in a small cup, I'm going to add my greens first. Some greens and some of the gold. I'll start with the dark green. And now back 1 more layer of each of them, I think. Okay, I think that's it for those. I'm going to just spread these around in kind of a figure 8, overlapping figure 8 fashion. I don't know if I will just do a ribbon pour or blow it out. I love the way it looks blown out, but I'm liking this too. Isn't that fun? Okay. All right, now I'm gonna move that around a bit. I'm not gonna worry about going over the edges yet because I'll do that when I add the red. I probably could have used less green. Wow, there's lots of cells in here. I don't recall all those cells on the last one, but it's probably the metallics. Okay. It's kind of fun. If I was going to stop here, it would be fun to add little bugs, little insects crawling along there, wouldn't it? I might have to remember this. Because there's some really fun things happening. But I'm determined to do a Christmas pour, so here we go with the reds. I'm going to start with the dark red, the red violet, red, Poinsettia. Oh, and gold. I need gold in there. Another layer. I'm going to have enough left. Maybe I can do a Dutch pour or something, a Christmassy colored Dutch pour. Okay. Isn't that fun? And here we go. Oh, I kind of hate to cover that up. Oh well. I'm going to. I'm hesitating. But I'm going to do it. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'll move that around. The sides, aren't they fun? Ooh, look at those sides. I love that. Okay. Okay, now to decide, should I leave it alone or should I mess with it? I don't think I can leave it alone. Yeah. I'm going to blow it out, at least parts of it. I think I probably need to add more red here because that's a lot of green. I shouldn't have put so much green down to begin with. And what else? Some of this lighter gold. Okay. hair dryer. I apologize now because I think I have to have it on high to move it around. I'm going to start in the center and work my way out. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. I love this look. So I'm going to continue. I think I'm going to continue to blow it out. Okay. I think I like it. I love this rich red area up here. Get the torch. I like the contrast with that deep red violet there. A little section I missed here, and I kind of like that. That's kind of fun. Becomes a bit of a focal point there. I think I got to blow that out though. That's it. Ta-da! Oh, look at that. I'm leaving it. I think it's very fun and festive. Let me bring you in for a closer look. So this is a way to use red and green in your pour without them mixing too much. I really like the appearance of a little hints of green there. It's mostly in the red family. But if you separate them, it seems to work. Well, there you go, my friends. This year's first Christmas pour. If you don't count my giant ornament, I hope you saw that one. It came out really fun. Oh, there's some really fun areas in here. I'm very pleased. I hope you like it too. And thanks for watching. Okay, a little PS. I had an idea. I'm going to use my skewer and make some swirls in a few places. I think they'll be very festive and almost ornament looking. So I'm going to go in this spot that bothered me a little bit. Not too big, but it kind of looks like a Christmas ornament, I think. I've got to have at least 3 of them. I'll go over here. That's fun. And maybe here. Let's see. Placement. don't know. Should I keep going? I have 3 now. I like things in odd numbers. I'll do 2 more. One, 2, 3, 4. And up in this area. But I want one here too. That is a fun looking one. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, I'm gonna add some more, and I've got to change the size. I can't have them all so similar. Maybe I preferred it before the swirls, but it's different than last year's painting, so that's what's fun about it. And they are kind of glass ornament looking to me. I don't know if I'm just trying to convince myself that I didn't ruin it or what, but I think they're kind of fun. All right, my friends, now I am done. Thanks for watching.